Hello, my name is Chris Hughes and I am the Head of Site Mobilisation for Balfour Beatty, and welcome to the Hub in Sheffield, where we mobilise and demobilise all of Balfour Beatty's contracts across the UK. Once a contract has been awarded, a site needs to mobilise and we need to establish a working location. This location will vary with the size and complexity of the contract and could house anything from 20 people to 1,000 people. All of these people need access to IT. They need to have somewhere to work, whether that's a modular or a temporary building, and then all the infrastructure around that. Plant, equipment, cranes, all need to be delivered at the right time and at the right place. And this is quite a complex task. The mobilisation hub brings together within a single unit one area of expertise and one point of contact, which will reduce the inefficiencies and enable the project team to focus clearly on getting the contract started and ensure that the client begins to see progress at a very early stage.